Section 1. Unlocking Earth's Secrets. An Introduction to Biomarkers. What are biomarkers? Imagine finding a fingerprint at a crime scene. This fingerprint tells a story. It points to someone who was there. Biomarkers are like fingerprints, but for the Earth. They are molecules. These molecules tell us about the past. They reveal secrets hidden in rocks, soil, and even ice. Biomarkers come from organic matter. This matter is the remains of ancient life, like plants and algae. When these organisms die, they leave behind traces of their existence. These traces are the biomarkers. They are like molecular fossils, preserving information for millions of years. Biomarkers are incredibly diverse. They vary in their chemical structures and properties. This diversity reflects the vast array of life that has existed on Earth. By studying these molecular clues, scientists can piece together the history of our planet. They can learn about ancient environments, climates, and even the evolution of life itself. Biomarkers act as windows into the past. They help us understand the present, and they provide valuable insights into the future of our planet. Section 2. The origin of biomarkers. From living organisms to molecular fossils. Biomarkers start their journey in living organisms. These organisms produce a wide range of organic molecules. These molecules serve different functions. Some form structural components like cell walls. Others play roles in metabolism or reproduction. When organisms die, their organic matter undergoes decomposition. This process breaks down complex molecules into simpler ones. However, some molecules are resistant to decay. These resilient molecules are the precursors of biomarkers. Over time, these precursor molecules become buried under layers of sediment. The sediment turns into rock. The pressure and heat transform the precursor molecules into stable biomarkers. This transformation process is like baking a cake. The ingredients change, but the essence remains. These stable biomarkers become trapped within the rock. They remain there for millions or even billions of years. Scientists extract these biomarkers from rocks and other materials. They analyze them to unlock the secrets of the past. Section 3. Biomarkers in Geochemistry. Unraveling the history of rocks. Geochemists use biomarkers as powerful tools. These tools help them study the Earth's history. Biomarkers provide clues about the age of rocks. They reveal the environments in which the rocks formed. They even help us understand the evolution of life on Earth. For example, certain biomarkers indicate specific types of organisms. The presence of certain biomarkers in ancient rocks tells us that those organisms existed during that time period. This information helps scientists piece together the history of life on Earth. Biomarkers also provide insights into past climates. Some organisms thrive in warm, tropical environments. Others prefer cold, polar regions. The presence of biomarkers from these organisms in ancient rocks tells us about the climate at that time. Furthermore, biomarkers can reveal the presence of ancient oil and gas deposits. This information is invaluable to the energy industry. Section 4. Types of biomarkers, sterains, hopanes, and their significance. There are many different types of biomarkers. Each type has unique properties. These properties make them useful for specific applications. Let's explore two important types, steranes and hopanes. Steranes are biomarkers derived from sterols. Sterols are lipids found in the cell membranes of eukaryotes. Eukaryotes include plants, animals, and fungi. Steranes are very resistant to degradation. This makes them excellent biomarkers for studying ancient life and environments. Hopanes are biomarkers derived from hopanoids. Hopanoids are lipids found in the cell membranes of bacteria. Like steranes, hopanes are very resistant to degradation. This resilience makes them valuable for studying the history of bacteria on Earth. Scientists use steranes and hopanes for a variety of purposes. These purposes include oil exploration, environmental monitoring, and paleoclimate reconstruction. These biomarkers provide a wealth of information about the past. This information helps us understand the present and plan for the future. Section 5. Biomarkers in oil exploration, finding black gold. Biomarkers play a crucial role in oil exploration. They help locate new oil and gas reserves. They also help assess the quality and quantity of these resources. This is possible because oil and gas are formed from the remains of ancient organisms. When these organisms die, their organic matter accumulates in sedimentary basins. Over millions of years, heat and pressure transform this organic matter into hydrocarbons. These hydrocarbons are the building blocks of oil and gas. Biomarkers present in the hydrocarbons act as fingerprints. These fingerprints trace the hydrocarbons back to their source rock. This process helps geologists locate new oil and gas reserves. Biomarkers also provide information about the thermal maturity of hydrocarbons. Thermal maturity refers to the extent to which the organic matter has been transformed into hydrocarbons. By analyzing biomarkers, geologists can determine if the hydrocarbons are suitable for extraction. Section 6. Oil source rock correlation, matching oils to their source. Oil source rock correlation is a critical aspect of oil exploration. It involves matching oils found in reservoirs to their source rocks. This process helps determine the origin of the oil. It also helps predict the distribution of other oil reserves in the area. Biomarkers play a key role in oil source rock correlation. This is because different source rocks have unique biomarker signatures. These signatures reflect the types of organisms that contributed to the organic matter. Geologists analyze the biomarker signatures of oils from reservoirs and potential source rocks. By comparing these signatures, they can determine if the oil originated from a particular source rock. This information is crucial for efficiently targeting oil exploration efforts. Oil source rock correlation is a complex process. However, biomarkers provide a powerful tool for unraveling the mysteries of oil migration and accumulation. Section 7. Beyond oil. Biomarkers in environmental science. The applications of biomarkers extend far beyond oil exploration. They are invaluable tools in environmental science. Scientists use them to track pollution, monitor ecosystems, and assess the health of our planet. For example, biomarkers can identify the sources of oil spills. This is done by analyzing the unique biomarker signatures of different oils. This information helps pinpoint the responsible parties and guide cleanup efforts. Biomarkers also serve as indicators of environmental stress. Changes in the types and abundances of biomarkers in an ecosystem can signal pollution, climate change, or other environmental disturbances. By monitoring these changes, scientists can assess the health of ecosystems and develop strategies for their protection. Furthermore, biomarkers can track the fate and transport of pollutants in the environment. This information is crucial for understanding the long-term impacts of pollution and developing effective remediation strategies. Section 8. Biomarkers and paleoclimatology, reconstructing ancient climates. Paleoclimatology is the study of past climates. Biomarkers are essential tools for reconstructing Earth's climatic history. This is because certain organisms thrive in specific temperature and precipitation regimes. The presence of their biomarkers in ancient sediments provides clues about past climates. For instance, some algae produce specific lipids that reflect the temperature of the water in which they lived. By analyzing these lipids in marine sediments, scientists can reconstruct past sea surface temperatures. Similarly, the chemical composition of plant waxes varies with precipitation patterns. By studying these waxes in ancient soils and sediments, scientists can infer past rainfall patterns. Biomarkers provide a continuous record of Earth's climate over millions of years. This information is essential for understanding natural climate variability and the potential impacts of future climate change. Section 9. Biomarkers in astrobiology, searching for life beyond Earth. Astrobiology is the study of life in the universe. Biomarkers are key targets in the search for extraterrestrial life. Scientists are looking for signs of past or present life on other planets and moons. The presence of certain biomarkers on other celestial bodies could indicate the presence of life, even if it is extinct. These biomarkers include molecules associated with life as we know it, such as DNA, proteins, and lipids. Scientists are developing sophisticated instruments to detect biomarkers on other planets and moons. These instruments will analyze the chemical composition of rocks, soils, and atmospheres for signs of life. The discovery of biomarkers on another celestial body would be a momentous event. It would provide evidence that we are not alone in the universe. Section 10. Conclusion: Biomarkers. Tiny clues with huge implications. Biomarkers are tiny molecules with enormous implications. They are powerful tools for unlocking Earth's secrets from the ancient past to the present day. They provide insights into the evolution of life, the history of our planet, and the impact of human activities. Biomarkers are essential for finding new energy resources, monitoring the health of our environment, and understanding the complexities of climate change. They even hold the key to potentially discovering life beyond Earth. As our analytical techniques continue to advance, biomarkers will undoubtedly play an even greater role in shaping our understanding of the world around us. These tiny clues have the power to unlock some of the biggest mysteries facing humanity.